How would you feel if someone told you you no longer need to struggle? That you can have the results you desire without the struggle? I was the CEO of an assisted living association. I was making great money. I was highly respected. I helped found the organization and helped develop and grow assisted living within Arizona. I was moving as fast as I could, but I wasn't getting anywhere. I was like spinning my wheels and spinning my wheels. And I kept pushing, trying to move my life forward, but I couldn't. I was just stuck. And I was looking around at everybody else who seemed so happy, so joyful, so life's on track and everything about them is marvelous. And I was still stuck. I read book after book after book. I took course after course, and if the course had a VIP section, I was on it. I would enroll in the VIP section. I hired some of the best coaches, and nothing happened. I didn't get any results until I realized that the coaches had the same problem I had. And the answer isn't out there. The answer is it's within. You have to take the time to look within. And that was my breakthrough, to realize that other people were missing the same thing. I needed a guide. I needed someone to help take me through this, to uncover my truth, to figure out what was truly holding me back. And it's shadows. I call them childhood shadow imprints, because of the footprint left on your soul by other people who didn't like something about you, who judged you unfairly, but you incorporated it into your life. I mean, from 0 to 7 years old, your mind's an open vessel. So anything that was negative or demeaning to you, you took it in. And as women, we have a tendency to do that about everything. But trust me when I tell you, you can have it all. You just need to become a detective. That's why the acronym CSI. You have to become a detective and learn how to look within. I have helped hundreds of women heal their shadows so they can step in and become the woman they knew was locked away. They just couldn't bring her out. And after years and years of requesting it, I finally put my program, my signature way how I do it, into some videos and a PDF and bundled it up. I want you to stop the struggle. I want you to learn how to ignite your possibilities and embrace the truth about who you really are. Not who other people said you are, who you really are. Now, everybody has trauma, and it doesn't have to be, it's like, I have a lot of clients who be, well, I wasn't sexually abused, but, my dad was absent a lot. Everybody has trauma, and that's where these shadows come from. Stop being held back, eliminate the sabotage, and please, let's get started today. Embrace my power, become the most powerful you. Become your most powerful self. Are you ready in 2021 to stop spinning and spinning and figure out what that thing is that keeps holding you back? Then let's go.